Hello, today I'm talking to you with driving through water on roads. We should have a look to prevent against damage to the vehicle while driving through water, for example, on flooded roads. The water level must not be higher than the vehicle's underbody. We do not drive faster than a walking pace. After driving through water, mud, sludge, etc., the braking effect can be delayed slightly due to moisture on the disc and brake pads. Applying the brake carefully several times until they will get back to power again, and it will remove the moisture and restore the full braking effect. Parts of the vehicle, for example engine, gearbox, running gear or electric components, can be badly damaged when driving through water. We always switch off the start-stop system before driving through the water. It is advisable to check the depth and the deepest point before approaching the water. We do not stop the vehicle driving in reverse or switch off the engine before we are out of the water. Bear in mind that water created by oncoming traffic could exceed the permission wading depth of our vehicle. And we avoid driving through salt water as well, because of a lot of corrosion is possible with that. If you take care of that, maybe you can handle this, driving through water on roads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!